Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a few methods you can follow to fix the error connection refuse problem on Chrome. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you open Google Chrome and in the top right click on these three dots. Go to extensions, click on manage extensions. Now here what you need to do is make sure you disable every extension in here by clicking on this button that's gonna be here. You might have more than 2 extensions. I only have 2 here. You might have 4 or 5 or even more. Once you've done this, go to the top right again, click on these 3 dots, go down, click on settings and click on reset settings. Click here and click on reset settings again. Once you've done this and the issue is not fixed yet, you can try the steps of the following method that I'm gonna give you right now. Go down here, open the start menu and search control panel. Click on network and internet. Then go to Network and Sharing Center here. Open your Wi-Fi connection. Click on Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure you change this one to use the following DNS server. Here type in 1111. In the second one, type in 1001, then click OK. Once you've done this, you can just open the start menu again and search command prompt or CMD. Then click on Run as Administrator. It's gonna take you here. Type in ipconfig // release. Press enter and type in ipconfig // DNS. Press enter. Then type in ipconfig // renew, press enter, and finally type in netsh winsock reset, then press enter. Once you've done this, you can just close this page and go to the start menu again and search Internet Options. Open here and go to Connections. Then click on LAN Settings. The reason why we're doing this is because we want to make sure this one is turned on. They automatically detect settings. If it's turned off, make sure you turn it on. Then press OK. Once you've done all of this, make sure you restart your computer. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.